Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn types of pronouns. There are different types of pronouns, but you can study only two types, that is, personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Today we will study personal pronouns. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun replaces a noun or nouns in a sentence. There are two kinds of personal pronouns, subject or object pronouns. First, we are going to discuss about subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we and they. These are the subject pronouns. Subject pronouns usually comes at the beginning of a sentence. Let us see few examples of subject pronouns. Sarah bakes a cake. In this sentence, Sarah is a noun, or more specifically it is a proper noun. Sarah is a girl. So, we are going to replace the noun Sarah with the pronoun she. Now, she bakes a cake. What about this sentence? My brother likes to dance. We are going to replace my brother with the pronoun. My brother is a boy. So, we can use the pronoun he. He likes to dance. Next, Nimmi and I walk to school together. Nimmi and I should be replaced with the pronoun we. We walk to school together. Are you ready for the next? The next example is the box is in front of the door. Which pronoun we will use in the place of box? The box is a non-human object. So, we can replace with the pronoun it. Next example. Sally and Ben watch a show. There are more than one person as a subject. So, we can replace the noun Sally and Ben with the pronoun they. They watch a show. Then what about the pronoun I? My name is Smita, but I don't say Smita is hungry, Smita wants dinner, Smita wants chocolate. So, which personal pronoun do we use in this sentence? I. I am hungry. I want dinner. I want chocolate. What about the pronoun you? The word you refers to the person or persons. For example, you are too young to play football. So, which is the pronoun in this sentence? You. Now, let's talk about another type of personal pronouns, that is, object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. These are the object pronouns. An object pronoun is the receiver of the action. For example, Mr. Tom gave Arun a balloon. Who is the receiver of the action? Arun. So, Arun is replaced with one of the object pronoun. Arun is a boy. So, we can write him in place of Arun. Mr. Tom gave him a balloon. Let's look at some more examples. Rita wanted to go to the movie with Emily. Emily is replaced with one of the object pronoun, that is her. So Rita wanted to go to the movie with her. Next, I found the key under the table. Key is replaced with it. I found it under the table. Another example, my grandmother thanked my sister and I for helping in the garden. Now, I wanted to replace the noun my sister and I. Here, I can write the object pronoun us. My grandmother thanked us for helping in the garden. What about this one? Can you tell your friends to come on Sunday? Your friends. Friends means more than one. We can use the pronoun them. So we can write, can you tell them to come on Sunday? I hope you had a great time learning. Let's revise it. Today we learned what is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun replaces a noun or nouns. There are two kinds of personal pronoun, subject or object pronouns. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we and they. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us and them. Thank you children. Have a nice day.